GM fam, believe it or not, it's been a bang up week for Curve. We saw Convexes celebrating their first birthday, monster fees from the Terra collapse splashing back to Curve stakers, action from StakeDAO, Paladin, approval of magicCRV and mkrCRV, Coinbase featuring Curve in their DApp platform launch. So all this great news, and yet when I log into Twitter, I see nothing but sadness and bear posts. Could the devs do something? To be honest, I don't have a ton of common cause with anybody who's complaining about prices, because it seems to me like this is only an issue if you're planning on selling in the next decade. So when I see people complaining about the price, it looks to me like someone driving the wrong way down a one-way street, or people clamoring to get back onto the Titanic as it's sinking. In GMI, the broader crypto markets have always been wildly irrational, and it's not just Curve, but several protocols are trading at buffoonishly low levels at the moment, below treasury values in some cases. So as always with crypto, we don't tend to see the market rationally dissecting all these complex tokenomics and figuring out what's properly valued, but it just tends to swing wildly between extreme lows and extreme highs and sees what manages to shake out of the spin cycle. So with most people suggesting the Fed is going to be pushing things even more bearish in the short term, we're probably going to see some protocols straining and cracking under this pressure. So this is when fortunes are made in crypto, when you see protocols shipping products, surviving, and increasing their market share in these dips. So for my sake, I'm guessing Curve is going to do what it continues to do and has always done in a bear market, which is to print higher fees for people who are staked in the protocol. It's that sort of anti-fragile behavior that keeps me insanely bullish. Of course, if you're listening to me for financial advice, then you probably started poor or got poor. So again, I reiterate that my content's all strictly educational, none of it financial advice. Have a great weekend, friends. Try and decompress.